Welcome to Beside TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys these new sublimation can-shaped glass tumblers. You can choose from two sizes, 18 ounce and 13 ounce, and they come in this very special and very unique standard can shape, and it's very easy to hold, and they have this very smooth frosted finish and 8 beautiful gradient colors, and this frosted white color for you to choose, and just very stylish and very beautiful glass tumblers, and you can use them in two ways. You can drink, just take a sip directly. It's the perfect way to enjoy some iced alcoholic drinks, or you can choose to drink with a straw. We also provide the bamboo lid and the stainless steel straw for the tumbler. The lid can match with the tumbler, and the straw can fit in the lid perfectly, and you can also choose from these two kinds of glass straws and this straight plastic straw. The bamboo lid has a silicone ring, so it can prevent the splash and the leakage from the edge, and which makes the tumbler more portable and more suitable for outdoor use. You can just fill it with your favorite drinks like coffee, juice, and tea, and just take it outside for a walk or shopping, etc. And it's also safe to put the tumbler into the cup holder of your car, and you don't need to worry the drink inside will spill out. So do you guys want to see how to print these beautiful and also very functional glass tumblers? Please keep watching.